In this video, we're going to be looking at how to rank videos in both Google and YouTube. And there's going to be several different videos in this series where I'm going to cover two different sides of ranking your video. The one side is going to be a safe method, and then the other side is going to be not so much a safe method. And then by the time we're done with these videos, you guys can make the choice which way you want to go. So let's talk about ranking our videos first in Google. Okay, so this is the first upload I done on the YouTube channel, which is for Diamond CBD Vape Additive Review. You can see my video is right here. It says 7 days ago by CBD Informer. Now, there's many different factors as to whose video ultimately gets ranked here within the carousel on the top, especially when you get more into the competitive search terms. It can be very difficult to rank for some of these. But the main factors you're going to find with ranking videos in Google is going to be how optimized your video is, such as your title, your description, and your tags. It's also going to have to do with your channel authority. So if your YouTube channel has a lot of subscribers, a lot of videos on it, lots of views on it, and also whether you have embeds, which are when people embed your video on their website or another website where it can be viewed, and also backlinks, which are links from other websites, social media sites, that are pointing people to your video on YouTube. So they are linking from their site or their social media site directly to your YouTube video. And when they do that, that is called a backlink. It's considered like a vote for your video. And the more of those you have, especially backlinks that are coming from high authority websites or high authority social media sites, they can play a huge impact on your rankings in Google, and it works both this way on videos and in websites. And so these are the biggest factors with ranking in Google. Now with this video here, there wasn't a whole lot of competition with it, so I didn't need any kind of embeds, backlinks, or really any channel authority because my channel was brand new. And you can see that because if you search for this keyword, the Diamond CBD Vape Additive Review, you can see this first video only has Diamond CBD Review in the title, and this one only has Diamond and CBD. And so my video has the Vape Additive and Review to it, then therefore that just kind of automatically put my video there because it became one of the most relevant options for this term because of my title and how I optimized the video. So moving on to YouTube and ranking the videos in YouTube, it's completely different. So with YouTube, it's based on several factors such as views, how many views your video has, how long it's watched, how many comments, how many likes it has, how many subscribers you have, and possibly even like how many shares you even have. And so you can see doing a search for Diamond CBD Vape Additive Review, my video is number 1, and it's actually only 50 seconds, and it's still ranked number 1. It has 96 views, and it says here 6 days ago. And so YouTube and Google are completely different. And now, when I mentioned at the beginning of this video that there's two sides of how you can do this, I'm going to be talking more about that in these other videos. But I just want you to be cautious with doing this because the one way of ranking your videos in Google and YouTube is the natural method. It just naturally happens. So if you have a really good video and people really like that video, they are going to watch the video. They're going to share it with other people. They're going to like it. They're going to comment on it. And because of that, that video is going to become more popular and more popular, and YouTube is going to rank that higher in YouTube. Now, for the same reason, if people really like your content, if they really like your video, there's a good chance they're going to embed your video on their website or social media site, or share it, or even link to it. And when they start doing that over time, it's going to give that video more authority, and it's going to start ranking better in Google. And there's ways to get around that if you don't want to do it naturally. And so having your video to rank naturally is obviously the best way to go, especially if you want to build a high authority YouTube channel and you want to grow it into something really big. But if you have multiple YouTube channels, maybe you've even bought different YouTube channels that you can just use just for ranking and making some money on, then you may want to look at some of these alternative videos that I'm going to be showing in this series. It's going to show you how to manipulate some of this stuff to allow your videos to rank much faster and much higher, but at the same time you're taking a much bigger risk of having your videos flagged, deleted, or even that YouTube account shut down. And so that's what we're going to be talking about in the upcoming videos in this series.